Hey guys, what's up? This is your friend Maynard from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel another video on estimation. So friends, in today's video we'll show you how to calculate the earthwork for the periphery walls. So first of all, let us show you what is exactly the periphery wall. So as you can see, this is the plinth beam which is being binded, and as you can see this is the sand filling. So along the plot boundary there is a periphery wall which is constructed, and also that is between the columns also it is there. So the columns have their individual foundations as we had calculated in the earlier video, like the foundation excavation for the foundation of columns. So we had calculated that. The periphery wall will also have a foundation of brick, and this is the detail of that particular periphery wall. And before that, let me show you another picture of the periphery wall. As you can see, this is the particular plain beam which has been constructed above the periphery wall. So when we have internal plain beams, below that PCC is given, and below the external plain beams we have the periphery walls like this. This is before the casting, and that previous one picture was after the casting. So we'll have periphery walls, and the purpose of the periphery wall is to maintain the plinth height, and also so that the sand which is inserted, which is put inside the particular up to the plinth level sand filling, it can hold it from all sides. So this is the basic purpose of the periphery wall. And another mistake which some people do, like they think that in the internal below the internal beams also they provide the periphery wall, which is not necessary. We can only provide the PCC because this is not given for the purpose of strength. This is mainly given for the purpose of retaining this sand fill. So that's all about the periphery wall. And if you just look into the default design of the periphery wall here, this is the design. Basically the total depth of the periphery wall is 0.6 meter or around 2 feet, and we have three layers. The first layer is of 10-inch brick, and then the next layer is of 15-inch brick, and the last layer is of your 20-inch brick, and then we have PCC, and then we have sand filling. So this is the periphery wall foundation which we have, and we are going to calculate the earthwork for the periphery wall according to that. So number of periphery wall we're going to take as 1. The length we are going to calculate using the drawing. Breadth, as you can see, breadth we have, if we just calculate from here, 0.5 is from here, and 0.5 plus 0.075 plus 0.075, that is 0.5 plus 0.15, that will be 0.65. So we can do this as 0.65. And the height, as you can see, this is 2 feet, so 0.6 you can do as the height, and the breadth also you have. So breadth and height is given. Now the length we need to calculate from the drawing. So for calculating the length, you can use some lines and calculate the length. So this will be our periphery wall in this case, since this is an extension project. So we need to calculate the periphery walls accordingly. So we'll just take the line from here. You can also calculate using the word file. I'll join this. So this is a single line. This is the length along the periphery wall. I'll take a polyline here, and this time we'll start from here. This the extension part. We are taking the extension part, by the way, those who have not seen the previous video. So this is an extension project. In the ground floor, this building is already been done, and the unhatched portion, there will be the new construction. So only the boundary of the unhatched portion we are taking for the periphery wall. So we are taking this, and let's take up to this much. Okay, so this has been done. So you can keep adding, or also you can add later also. So it will start from here, plinth level. We'll take another point here, another point let's take here, and last point we'll take here. So this will be our periphery wall. So if for knowing the length, we'll just add the length, li enter to check the length. So the length which will be in meters. So in meters will be 13.182. We'll just keep adding that, equals to 13.182 plus, let's say, the second length. Second length will be our, select this and li enter. This is The length is 15.008 plus 15.008 plus, and then the next length periphery wall, this one, and I enter. This is 4.247 plus 4.247. So this is the total length of the periphery wall. We have breadth and the height we have taken, and while taking the breadth we have taken some portion extra for the PCC and sand filling. The height also we have taken. So this is the earthwork which will be required for the periphery wall, and we already have the earthwork for the footings. So we'll use the sum command to add all the earthwork, and we'll multiply it by 1.1 so that we can have we can consider 10% extra in the earthwork, because some portion will be utilized in compacting and all. So 10% extra we have considered. So this will be the total quantity of the earthwork which will be used for this project. As you can see, this extension project, both for the foundations as well as for our below the periphery wall. So friends, how did you find this video? Please let us know in the comment section, and if you want training from us in the courses of Techla Structural Designer, Building Estimation, or even in the recorded sessions, you can contact us using the number which has been given below. So this is Maina from Civil Center signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.